It's the clash of the big guns, Delhi and Mumbai in Dubai. And to make sure that you score big with your Fantasy 11s, we are now joined by Ajit Agakar on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. एज ऑलवेज आपको आदत पड़ जानी चाहिए. हम सबसे पहले आपको प्रो टिप बताते हैं, ध्यान से सुनो और नोट कर लो. इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ बैटल बिटवीन द टू टॉप ऑर्डर्स, बट डू नॉट फॉरगेट द लीडिंग विकेट टेकर्स इन द टूर्नामेंट. अजीत, डू यू एग्री?
Yes, I mean top order at the moment. You'll have to look at Mumbai more than Delhi because they seem to be in better form. But both teams have some serious wicket takers. I think that's how they've been. They've been one of the better teams or two of the better teams in this competition. Although Delhi seem to have lost the way, they've got some serious wicket takers. So yes.
Also, a Mumbai top order minus Rohit Sharma. Just a quick update on Rohit Sharma. He looks unlikely to play this game as well, but do keep an eye on his injury updates or his recovery updates. So that might help you as well. Just a quick reminder of the rules as well. As always, note that every user on My 11 Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket keepers, and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. No Rohit Sharma means Ishan Kishan at the top, and we believe he will be very good as a choice for captain. Now, he took on the role of an opener in the absence of Rohit and has done a fine job. He scored 130 runs in the last 2 innings as an opener this season at a healthy strike rate of 141.3. Rishabh Pant shall be our vice captain. Now, he's been getting starts in almost every game, but hasn't quite made it big. He's failed to score 25 or more only twice in the tournament in 9 innings. This could be the day he goes on beyond the 30s and scores some big runs. So the two youngsters, Ishan Kishan, the captain, Rishabh Pant, the vice captain. We're going for Quinton de Kock in our top pick, the leading run scorer for the Mumbai side so far this season with 392 runs at a strike rate of 140. His 350s in the last 6 games makes a great case for him, and he can get you some crucial points from behind the stumps as well. Shikhar Dhawan is also part of the top picks after a series of 50s and 100s. Dhawan has got a couple of low scores, but his purple patch this season started with an unbeaten 69 versus Mumbai, and we are backing him to do the same in this game as well. Jasprit Bumrah, the last name on our top picks. Now, he is the joint second highest wicket taker in the tournament with 20 wickets at a terrific economy of just over 7, of which 8 wickets have come in the last 4 games. You cannot possibly leave him out given his form. So that's what our top picks look like. Ishan Kishan, Rishabh Pant, Quinton de Kock, Shikhar Dhawan, Jasprit Bumrah. Ajit, we continue to back Rishabh Pant on potential. Fair call?
I think you're one of the few people that's backing him at this point, the way he's played. So, yeah, that's going to be a tricky call. I think Rishabh Pant is one guy out of those 5 guys. The rest of the 4, they pick themselves. Rishabh Pant, it is a left field selection, but we know the kind of ability that he has on his day. Hopefully for Delhi, that day is against Mumbai.
Delhi win, they qualify. Maybe that'll egg him on to do better. We've got a couple of differential picks as well in our recommended 11. Anrik Nortje, who has outbowled even the purple cap holder Rabada a couple of times. He's picked up 15 wickets in the tournament so far at an economy of just under 8. Back him. Kieron Pollard is there as well as another differential pick. 218 runs at a strike rate of 200 tells you why he features in this 11. He's been dismissed only twice in 109 deliveries with the ball. His clever change of pace and terrific length could get him a wicket or 2, and he takes the hot spots in the field, which means lots of points for catches. So those are the 2 differential picks. Now let's take a look at our recommended 11. 3 wicket keepers in our lineup. Quinton de Kock, Ishan Kishan, and Rishabh Pant, the vice captain. We're going in with 3 batsmen in Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan, and the star of the last game against Bangalore, Surya Kumar Yadav. We have Kieron Pollard as the only all-rounder, and we've got 4 bowlers in Rahul Chahar, Anrik Nortje, Kagiso Rabada, and Jasprit Bumrah. But if you look at our substitutes, there's Marcus Stoinis, the all-rounder, Trent Boult, Akshar Patel, and Ravichandran Ashwin, who's been a bit off colour in the last couple of games. Ajit, the 11 looks good to you, or would you tweak anything?
No, it looks good to me. I think there's some great substitutes in that. Stoinis is the one guy you'd obviously want to watch out for because we've seen him turn games on its head. But this 11 looks... they're 2 strong teams, so you're going to have multiple options. But 11 looks good to me.
In case you're slightly iffy about who your vice captain should be, we've got an alternate scenario for you. And Surya Kumar Yadav is that name. Now, given the form that he is in, remember he scored terrific innings against Bangalore. He's also scored a 50 against Delhi the last time these two teams met. So you can perhaps look at Surya Kumar Yadav as your vice captain option, because as he did in the last game, he might just turn around and tell you, "Main hoon na." Guess what? We've got another person to give you another opinion, which is a slightly high-risk opinion. Let's see what we've got on the high-risk 11 this time.
So I've made 3 changes from your recommended 11 for this game. The first change, and I've made a swap of the left-handers. I've removed Ishan Kishan and I've brought in Shimron Hetmyer. I think Delhi's batting is a bit shaky and Hetmyer gets some batting time today. The next one I've removed Rahul Chahar and I've got in Akshar Patel. Chahar can be expensive and Patel offers the options with both bat and ball, so he'd be a good pick. And the third change I've made, I've removed the fast bowler Andrik Nokia and I've brought in Mumbai's Trent Bolt. Nokia is just returning from a niggle. He may not even play. And you want a player who's in full fitness, and Bolt is the man for you. I've made changes in captaincy as well. I've brought in Jasprit Bumrah as the captain. I just think he'll be lethal in the death overs. And my vice captain is Kagiso Rabada. So I think bowlers will have a good time.
There you are then. You got all possible information, insight, intel you need to get your teams ready. So go for it. Think long, think hard, be patient, and get your teams ready. Win lots of prizes. For now, thanks Ajit for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo.